Open space is crucial for our well-being, but heritage-associated open space are often treated separately from the built heritage, leading to their degradation or mismanagement. However, Mission Hill is a remarkable exception. It has been a beloved but informal recreational space maintained by the local community since the 1950s. This relationship of the people and the environment has also safeguarded its associated heritage. The former Sumter Post Office Reservoir, which was spared from demolition in 2021 and is now a Grade 1 historic building. However, its protection is not fully ensured under the current heritage grading system in Hong Kong. Moreover, people's interest in visiting Mission Hill is somewhat detached from its heritage. Therefore, this research recognized the potential and necessity to strengthen the sense of identity and the significance of the heritage through comprehensive spatial design of its open space. By prioritizing spatial justice, this research also aims to create an equitable and distinctive open space that benefits the entire community, aligning with the visions of 2030+. There are 3 research questions. A combination of qualitative and quantitative approaches will be employed, including desktop research, street and online survey and interviews, while quantitative methods such as correlation and regression analysis will be used to assess the design element and their correlation with mental well-being, particularly among different population and characteristics. The survey findings highlights the importance of flexibility in spatial design for enhancing mental well-being and recognitional justice. The self-initiated facilities on Mission Hill demonstrate this flexibility, evolving over time to meet the changing needs of the community. This community-driven process fosters a sense of place attachment that can be passed down through generations. Furthermore, the innovative analysis reveals that there are significant differences in spatial design preference based on age and educational level. Children, teenagers, and elderly show a higher preference for designs that offer sensory stimulation, flexibility, and inclusivity. Individuals with secondary education tend to prioritize open space design that facilitate engagement with nature and offer flexibility, while those with post-secondary or higher educational attainment place higher value on sensory stimulation and diversity in spatial design. This suggests that children and teenagers are naturally curious and responsive to sensory stimuli, while elderly may appreciate multisensory experience that compensate for age-related declines such as poor vision and hearing. People with secondary education appreciate the overall quality of a heritage-associated open space in terms of greenery and spaces that cater to their various activities. On the contrary, individuals with post-secondary or higher educational attainment are seeking a unique experience that may not be found in other open spaces. They value the provisions of different sensory experience and diverse facilities, which enhance their overall enjoyment of the space. To conclude, integration with different spatial design elements that cue social interaction should be prioritized, such as flexible space and green space. While different facilities and sensory stimulation shall be provided in these spaces to cater to different needs and provide a unique user experience for people with different ages and educational backgrounds. Besides, spatial design such as landscape, spatial configuration that emphasize the connection between built heritage and its associated open space is also essential to foster the synergy between heritage and its open space for shaping the sense of identity and community.